What's going on, guys? My name is Marcel Flores. Welcome to my YouTube channel, One Dapper Street, and welcome to today's very quick video where I cover 10 things that I think you guys should get to keep your closet and your outfits looking and smelling clean. Jump right in. Point number one, this one should be a staple. It's a lint roller or a fabric brush. Either one of them work. The fabric brush is a bit more sustainable because you can keep on using it, but either way, you don't want to have those little small specks of lint all over your clothes, especially darker clothes, especially black on suits. You want to make sure that that looks clean, so use that. Simple, no way around it. Point number two, this one's new for me and I absolutely love this thing because it happens to me all the time. It's a deodorant stain remover. So I have a stick deodorant, and whenever I put on something dark, maybe black, whatever, no matter how hard I try, I tend to get these stains on my clothes. And sometimes I would actually just change back out of it again because it was ruined. But this is from Scotch. I saw it, I don't know, at like a Staples, grabbed it, tried it, loved it, makes your clothes wearable for the day. Invest in one, super cheap. Number three, this has saved my life several times, a Tide pen. If you're out and about and you spill something, it's gonna not only ruin your outfit for the day, it has the potential to ruin your piece of clothing for the rest of its life. You need to act quickly. I always have a Tide pen on me, except in rare instances, like you can't always have one, but make sure you add that to your list. If you have a duffel bag or a backpack that you wear most of the time, throw one in there so you're prepared for the worst. Next up, a fabric shaver or a sweater stone. This is to take those little pillings off of your fabrics, especially on beanies and stuff like that. It looks very cheap, very old, very quickly, but there's no need to get rid of those clothes. You can make them look fresh and new again very easily with either this little shaver that I have, or like I said, a stone that you lightly rub across the surface of the fabric. If you have watched my fan outfit review video, the last one, I actually pointed out that one of my guys was wearing chinos that were kind of wrinkled. You want to make sure that your fabrics are looking crisp. For that, you need either an iron, which is kind of like staple, everybody should have one, right? But two, a steamer. Steamer can work wonders. It's really easy to use. You can get like a nice portable one. I have an industrial one because I steam a lot, obviously. But the other benefit to steaming is that it also takes off any odors. So I used to work in a retail store, and when we had customers come in that had a little bit of body odor, after they tried pieces on, we would steam out so there would not be any residue in the smell, which actually worked like 95% of the time, unless it was really bad. But it's a great investment. Next up, please don't do your clothes dirty. And I don't mean this literally. In this case, I mean it figuratively. Get some nice hangers if you're hanging something. No wire hangers from the dry cleaners because that will literally just tear your fabrics apart slowly but surely. But try and invest in some wood hangers. I read on some website that I really liked. They're like, you can invest in 40 wood hangers easily, which would be the cost of just replacing one of the shirts that you messed up. So invest in good hangers. They look great and they're great for your clothes. Something I started using about a decade ago is cedar wood in my closet. Keeps away moss, absorbs some of the moisture, and keeps your clothes smelling fresh. Really simple, just hang it on the rod or throw it in the drawer and you add just an extra layer of protection for your clothes. Now let's talk about footwear. I won't lie, I'm not the best when it comes to keeping my white kicks clean, but I know a lot of you care about it. And I actually do know how to do it, I just don't care. I like my shoes dirty, I feel like they're worn in. But for the sake of this video, I'm cleaning some of my shoes. So what you need, number one, is a nice shoe spray that protects them from rain and stains. You can get one at Foot Locker. I got this one, works really nicely, especially on suede products. I've always used that. The first thing I do when I get a pair of suede shoes, I'm gonna spray them, make sure that none of those drips are gonna really affect my shoes. Then next, if they do get dirty, which does happen, make sure you apply that regularly. So after a couple of months, 3 months, just spray them again so you keep them fresh. Next, they do get dirty, sometimes, it happens. So you wanna be able to clean them. You can either get a cleaning kit like I did from Foot Locker, this one right here, or you can just keep it simple and use what you most likely already have at home, which is baking soda, white vinegar, and some warm water. Mix it together, then you either use an old toothbrush or a little cloth and rub your shoes clean with that. It honestly makes the world of a difference. Last but certainly not least, I know we're not wearing dress shoes an insane amount right now. It's a lot more about sneakers, but shoe trees are essential in keeping your dress shoes looking almost new. Leather shoes tend to wrinkle, especially after wearing them, and the shoe trees are gonna make sure that you de-wrinkle them. It's kind of like an iron for your shoes. And with that, I wanna wrap up. Like I said, quick video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave comments, thoughts, questions down below. Make sure to check me out on Instagram. I've been posting a lot more on Reels. That's where you'll see a few of these things in action today as well. So thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you very soon with the next video. Until then, as always, stay dapper. Bye y'all.